back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a how to, we're gonna make this camera look aesthetic. So right now I have my, this lighting is bad. Let's put this down. Okay, so right here I have my Polaroid 8 Plus, and this I got it for free. If you guys are interested of how I got my free Polaroid, be sure to check out my unboxing video. I'll have it linked down below. And pretty much I played a game called Very Dice, roll dice, earn tickets, and then I eventually got this camera. I did an unboxing on this of how I got it for free and stuff, and pretty much the app is called Very Dice, and be sure to use my code 349292. It's right here, that's my code, and when you download Very Dice, be sure to use that code right there. But pretty much I got this instant Polaroid camera right here. But anyways, this is again how it looks, and I also got this case for free. So if you guys are wondering what I'm gonna do is, I went to Walgreens last night and I picked up these Lisa Frank stickers right here, and these are super cute. I'll show a little clip right here, but pretty much that's how the stickers look. And like, there's so much in here, guys, to pick from. But anyways, so what I'm gonna do is pretty much, I'm not really gonna do a lot of talking in this video, but I just got a case from Amazon and it looks just like this. I don't want to take it out because it is a pain to put on, but pretty much it's a hard shell case and it looks like that. And I got this for free from Very Dice, and I'm gonna put this back in because I don't want to damage the camera in any way, but it's still like spanking new. But anyways, let's get to putting on the stickers because I really want to see how this looks. I really have been dying to put Polaroid stickers on my camera. But anyways, here's the inspiration that I'm going for, but let's get to it.